It is time for the PlayStation 4 Mini, and let's try out some Sega games. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to test out the PlayStation 4 Mini, but we're going to focus on the Sega games. So let's do some gameplay and let's see how good are they running. And the first game we are going to test out is Golden Axe. A really classic one. Play this game a lot on my original Sega Megadrive. Right, let's see, I don't use the button for the super move, and the frame rate is really nice. Oh yeah. No, don't hit me from behind. Ow. Golden Axe is one of the best Sega beat 'em ups. Now I'm saying by the best, of course, to be the PlayStation 1. My number one favorite game of all time. I find it really nice the way how it plays, and yeah. But alright, this is more. Let's get him. Alright, let's play a little bit of Sonic the Hedgehog 2. That's how is the frame rate of the game, the music. Let's test out if the game can keep up. It seems to be the frame rate is just great. Ow. And it seems to be that the game is running nice, like the original game. Ooh, I just wanted to jump. Not alright. And let's test out Sonic 3. And also this game works just fine. Nice frame rate. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to the hidden ring, or the bonus stage, because the bonus stage of this game is more like a three-dimensional game, or three-dimensional part of the game. And it is a very good test, because if the emulation is not good enough, it will not show it like it should be, and then makes this part of the game unplayable. What you can see here is that it works just fine. Alright, nice. So yeah, I think I've seen it. Let's go to the next. Na 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 na, Batman! Batman! So let's play a little bit Spank Man. Never played this version. Yeah, just shoot by the eye. Wow. Oh my god, this is really wicked. Oh my god. So let's play Comic Zone, one of the last released games for the Megadrive, if I'm correct. Very unique way of beat 'em up. Yeah, just really nice. But he didn't die of it. Oh yeah, bring it on. I play this game so much. So a nice game. I really love the soundtracks. Rolling Thunder 2. Alright, let's see if I can still play this game. Alright. Bring on the bad guys. Do. So, right. What? He wasn't down when I shot him the first time. And let's do a little bit of a gameplay of Street of Rage. I'm starting the game and getting my ass whooped already. It's really needing to get used to the game again. I really play a lot of Street of Rage 2 or the remake. So going back to version 1, man, I just really need to get used to the controllers. What? I wasn't able to freaking hit him. So yeah, one thing is for sure is that the games are just running fine on the system, and that is really, really awesome. Let's skip the intro. Let's go to the gameplay. Need to find my button layouts because the button layout are not that great. Whatever, it's playable this way. Ooh. Come on, bring it on. Whoa! There are with many! Ah! Go away! So yeah people, for the final conclusion about the Sega part of the PlayStation 4 Mini. The games run just great, the sound is like it should be. I'm very satisfied about this part of the PlayStation 4 Mini. It's a really awesome product, and if you want to play your Sega games, there should be not any problems. I've tried a couple of games and as you can see they are running just perfect, and that is what I'm really pleased about. So yeah, I hope you have a better idea what you are going to get now. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, and see you next time. And I'm going to play some Street Fighter with this horrible controller. Oh man, the computer is not leave me some room for trying some moves. Alright people, see you next time. Bye bye.